Alright, ladies and gents, welcome again to I'm Full. So today our content is breakfast, special traditional breakfast again in Anatolian places. So I'm gonna show how they prepare and how to eat. Right, it's kinda different that you got used to probably, but let's go again. If you like our videos, please like, subscribe and comment down below. So without waiting you again, let's go and find a place where we can feed our stomach. Yeah, welcome again. So we're jumping to breakfast place. So yeah, but there is something problematic that we are not able to move whatever you want because it's striking us to move. But anyway, our main focus is right here on the table. You can see, yeah, there are lots of things they are putting and they are serving, and I'm gonna add the prices at the end of the video so you can evaluate whether it's worth or not. So again, first bite is for you. Yeah, it is egg and added pepper. It's again kind of traditional. Anyway, I'm gonna eat it. Yeah. But it's really hot and it's really charming. It's good, the bread, and I'm gonna show you the type of the bread. Yeah. We have only kind of, how can I say, bread that is made up here. And you can see the kind of mountains and hills on it. It's because of they are putting their finger into the bread. Yeah, I can, and you can understand me, I think. Yeah, it's good. It's kind of, how can I say, you cannot find anywhere else around the globe, I think. Anyway, let's take my pieces. Yeah, it's honey, and this is again special name börek in Turkish. We call it tahin, and cucumber and pepper and cheese, and it's olive. It's tomato and cucumber, and I don't know the name, but I will add at the description. And this yogurt, and this is tea and water. As the last is French fries. Yeah, it's chips, basically chips. Alright, we take our bread and it is, I don't know how it's called, but it is called kaymak in Turkish. And again, it is honey and we add the honey on it. Yeah, that could be my best. I don't like the other stuff, but I really like this. And let me take and taste it. Yeah. So you're coming here with one of your friends and you're paying $5 for those breakfast. So I hope you're gonna be enjoying this. I'm not a person who likes breakfast rather than dinner, but anyway, it's okay. It's good. 6 or 7 point of total out of 10. Yeah, I can give 6 or 7 points to this breakfast with the given prices. Yeah. Alright, so thank you for watching us. Again, if you forget to subscribe, please subscribe and comment down below, and do not forget to recommend your friends. Take care, bye bye.